Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So, today I'm sharing a very special behind the scene look at my shoot with Salek, an activewear brand that I truly love. My day started with a little twist. I was told to be at studio at exactly 9 am. True to my nature, I arrived on time, but guess what? The studio wasn't open and nobody was there. I ended up waiting outside for about 40 minutes. Even though it was quiet, I felt an exciting energy building up, as if something amazing was just about to unfold. As soon as the studio opened, the magic began. I was working in a beautiful space in Saket for the very first time, and what truly made the day special was that every single person on set was a talented, inspiring woman. From the brand owner to the photographer, models, me as a makeup artist, and even the creative interns. Every role was filled with by women who brought their unique spark and passion to the set. It was a true celebration of unity and girl power. I have worked with Salek before, so this was my second experience with them, and it felt extra special because the owner Poonam is not only a brilliant leader but also my ultimate lady crush. Poonam leads with kindness and a clear vision, ensuring every detail is perfect and that every woman on the team feels valued. Her energy set the tone for an incredible day. Let me introduce the powerful house team that transformed this shoot into an unforgettable experience. The photographer, a talented lady whose warm smile and calm professionalism made me feel completely at ease. Behind the lens, even with just a few words, her presence radiated trust and respect. The creative interns, a group of spit young women, all between 21 and 23, bursting with creative ideas. They worked tirelessly to translate every vision into reality, proving that passion and innovation know no age limit. Now, let's dive deeper into the heart of the shoot, the incredible models. Each model not only brought beauty to the shoot but also shared a piece of their journey that truly touched me. First model is Mansa. Mansa was the very first model I met today. Although she was only 21, her maturity and quiet strength are inspiring, especially given that she started her journey in the industry at just age 13. She told me how she feels more comfortable with older, wiser company rather than with her peers. Her humble wisdom reminds me that true experience is about the spirit within, not just the number of years we have lived. The second model is Rila. Then there is a Rila from Arunachal Pradesh. Her gentle, soft-spoken nature immediately put you at the ease. In our conversation, she opened up about personal moments that she rarely shares. Her vulnerability and strength taught me that being honest and genuine is not a weakness but a profound source of power. And the third model is Jisha Chaudhary and her transformative crown story. And finally, let's talk about Jisha, a plus size model whose energy and story left a deep impression on me. Jisha once embraced a symbolic act that truly encapsulated her journey. She told me about the moment when she decided to break the crown she used to wear, a crown that once symbolized the expectations and limitations placed upon her. By shattering that crown, Jisha made a bold statement. She was ready for change. She explained that this act wasn't about losing her identity, but about discarding what no longer served her. The broken crown became a powerful reminder that some things we must let go of old symbols and expectations in order to step into a truer, more authentic version of ourselves. Her courage to break that crown and embrace the transformative changes and the lesson for all of us. True beauty and strength comes from the power to redefine ourselves. As the day unfolded, every single woman on set, be it Poonam, the photographers, the creative interns, or our amazing models, supported one another wholeheartedly. No one was ever made to feel small or unimportant. Idea was shared freely. Challenges were tackled together. and every interaction radiated genuine respect. This wasn't just a professional shoot, it was a celebration of empowerment, where every contribution mattered. Witnessing each unity reaffirmed my belief in the power of women lifting each other up. As we wrapped up the day with a final group photo capturing our creative spirit, I felt an overwhelming sense of gratitude. Working with Salek, with Poonam, and his phenomenal all-female team was more than just another project. It was an experience that celebrated unity, respect, and real girl power. Jisha transformative crown story where she chose to break the crown for the sake of changes. Remind us that something we must let go of outdated symbols and embrace new beginnings. It's a powerful lesson in self-love, resilience, and the courage to redefine ourselves. I hope this behind the scene look inspire you to embrace your unique journey and support one another every step of the way. If you felt a spark of inspiration today, please hit the like button, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment below. Until next time, stay inspired, stay empowered and always keep shining. Thank you so much.